So, welcome back to learning R in analytical form. In this video, I'll basically be talking about how we can install R and RStudio on our system. Uh, on the screen right now, we can see CRAN, which is basically the website which is responsible for handling all of R and its related packages. For example, like ggplot2, anything that you can think of is basically built on CRAN. Um, you can download R 4.5.2 for Windows, which is available via this link. I'll post it in the description as well. You can also download the README if you need, and the new features in this version. You can check it out. We don't really need it for this video. It will be a bit too much, but we can go for download R.4.2 for Windows. It will basically open this for you. Um, then you press save. It will go to your downloads, and once the download finishes, you can click it to open it. It might not let me install uh, it might not let me install R again, just so that because I have it on my system already. But let me just try. So this is the window that will open, setup and everything. You can go through the document if you need. um, this is 4.5.2 that we are installing, so you can press next wherever you want. You can browse the location, or you can press next when you're done. See, now it is saying that folder already exists, so would you like to install to that folder anyway? I would press yes just in case. um, Next, I'll press next. Specify anything, no, next, and then it will just install for me. So it's installing again, that is good. um, so right now I don't want to close my applications, but it for you this error wouldn't come, because for me the R Studio is already running on top of R. So that is why I don't want to close the application. Um, it, it it would create a mess. So what you can do instead is what you like, you can install R. You can press next when finished. For me, I'm just pressing cancel. um, yes. Now when that is done, you can come here to this Posit website. Posit has a product called RStudio Desktop, which is basically the IDE that you would need for running R. You can basically it gives you an option to install R, which you have already done from CRAN here, so you don't need to do it again. But you can download and install RStudio from here. It'll again throw me an error. It might throw me an error when I try to install it. So, but I'll walk you through the steps just in case. Um, so once it finishes download, I'll. All right. So for me, it has finished just now. We'll try to open it and show you guys. All right. So see, right now for me it is saying RStudio is currently running. Please close it before installing a new version. But for you, it would go ahead and install. So just go ahead, press next, 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 and just install this. And when you have installed it, this window will be where you land. We can just try to run. Uh, so you can basically do a hello world here. uh, X is equal to hello world, and for you can encapsulate that this in quotes, and then when you press Control and Enter or Shift and Enter, um, sorry, Control and Enter. See what it does is it in the console it gives you X is equal to hello world. I'm not sure if you're able to see exactly. Um, Let me maximize the window. But if you're able to see, the X is equal to hello world would come here. And then we can just say X again. So it will give you a one followed by the hello world. One is the first command that you have run. So one followed by the hello world, which is the value of X that we had given. So yeah, so this basically, if you're able to run these two commands, that would basically mean that your R has been installed properly and R Studio is installed properly, and everything is working correctly as it should. Um, for a more check, you can see in this environment over here, in the global environment, you'll be able to see a values, and X will have a value of hello world. We'll go further into depth, like further depths into what values means, what X means, because what we are doing, for X is equal to hello world, like everything, we'll make sure we will create videos on this, for this. However, for now it is just necessary to, like, for you to check that R has been properly installed or not. So for that purpose itself, um, you can run these two commands as I said, and then just check it out. All right. Thanks. So for the next video, what we'll basically be covering is, we'll start with variables and assignment and everything. So let's, like, keep watching for that. Thank you.